I thought of tomorrow and closed my eyes. I see an empty hall. The hall echoed every step I took. A door opens. Outside, it was crowded. I pushed everyone and looked down and see a black man pleading for his life. An officer's knee on his neck, but yet everyone just recorded and stayed silent. But then justice, they say. His voice was filled with fear and his eyes filled with tears of guilt. The door slams closed. Another door opens. Night? A lady is walking all by herself, but then a hooded man covers her mouth and what happened next shouldn't be told. She was never the same again. The door closes again. Life is filled with problems that can be worked out, but that's what people can't see. People fear for their lives every day. Racism is still taking in place, but people just watch and go. Be an upstander, they say, but in reality, everyone's a bystander. Women. Women have to be perfect from head to toe, and their personalities also. Women shouldn't be judged because of what they're wearing. People shouldn't be judged by their bodies. People shouldn't be scared to go outside or be treated differently because of their skin color. These are just the fewest problems, but if I counted each one, my whole life would be taken away. If you can't stand up for yourself, what would you expect for the future? Don't let your insecurities take advantage of you. Thank you.